Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add subscribers in Convertkit. So first go to convertkit.com and log in with your account. Now on the top you can see various options. Click on grow and click on subscribers, and now on the right side you can see add subscribers. Click on there and then you can just create a tag. Now you have three options. I'm going to import Excel file. Now click on add subscribers and click on Excel file, and then let's map the email and let's click on import subscribers, and there you go. That's how you import subscribers in Convertkit. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. As you can see, there are subscribers already added.